For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Yeah, Itiski TV powered by WSP World Sports Betting. Yeah, my name is Junior Chabokanya. I'm betting when I'm the latest Jalitso Vilakazi. So kunjani mfethu?
Shabu zethu mfethu.
Yeah, no, I know. Without good waste this cut kune game edlala. So mfethu ibone kanjani game fan?
Mfethu ngibulise wena, ngibulise Stiza ke ku TKJ. Unkuleko Chucks, Bobo, Lindo, Shane, nanemakhaya icela support njalo Itiski TV. Zobe nje njalo ngichike futhi. Mfethu nice game face off. Both teams, they look good, but the second half was like, ish. Angazi would be by or either maybe the team took a change from the two coaches, but it was not really a good one second half. And yeah, it went all the way to the penalties. Super Sport again. The Pirates, they come to the party. Uwoto got chances. Sayile got a chance. Why they didn't bury the game, Kona lapang extra time, I don't know. But I think they did very well.
Yeah, for me, I mean, that's something evident, Mahopa. I think it goes to, if the Pirates should lose this game, Begmele, Umfana, Aspege Mirin. But well done to Orlando Pirates for winning, breaking through, making it through goodbye a good semi-final. But truly speaking, we can't have a top striker that is going to AFCON. I can say that because I can see a national team coach was there and the boy who started the game was white. I don't think it deserved to finish the game and to start the game and finish it. He got two early clear-cut chances. I don't know what to finish decision making, team let it down. Also, Pirates I was to protect the lead. Pirates when they score, but they tend to consider. Oki is a senior player, a leader. The boy Mbogazi is talented. We need to mention something very important. You cannot coach a player that is not talented. The boy is talented. Nkulumang Mbogazi, 19 years under 20 national and international. Bright future umfana. Just that he need the proper guidance. Umuntu ozodlala naye. Ngifuna ukumbona amadlalo Sesane lapha kule position. I think the Pirates bazoyithola pairing egrand. It's like no Sesane. I think he replace not ukuthi obviously there is an international player Nigerian. In Nigeria has talent. There are something else. I can't compete, but it's more or less with the talent. Umfana ngimbala kule area. Also, Orlando Pirates mangita was a protector. Lead. Pirates they score. They couldn't manage the game. You understand? When you score first, just manage the game so that to suck my opponent, atamake, and then I sweat, I'll be tired and then you punish them. Now, Pirates what they did. They allow SuperSport to score the goal, equalizing goal, and then also Pirates wanted to react. For me, it's so. I'm not sure. We had a good first half, as you say, but in a question, it's second half, I think, questionable. Yeah.
Yeah, Junior, in this game, I think both coaches, they just need to look at themselves and say, look, I put myself in this position and I had to take myself out because Okavin had a chance now, when he was supposed to win the game. Ulunduzana chose naye ngapha yena bekayiphethe vele ezandleni igame, but he just wanted to give Ulunduzana SuperSport away. Junior, I'm not problem of making changes, but there's certain players that you don't have to change them, and when you take out those players, I mean, you change Ulunduzana Mfukeng or change Unkota. I think those boys, for me, game, and if you wanted to play more Maswanganya, remember Maswanganya injured, so I'm sure he's not even 70% fit. Maybe it's about 50%. Then Busa Kipumako Busa Otola Maswanganya in the middle, Besubusela Mfukeng aside in luck. Wenzelana ukuthi no Tito doesn't have the confidence again ukuthi uzopass Mfukeng will play with him, then there will be that combination so that the confidence can develop, because it took him like even second half extra time for Tito to see Tito playing the game. And for me, we killing Ulonduzana Tito. Mbogazi, I can't say much.
Yeah, the content of man of the match for me.
Yeah,
I think. Yeah, he won it. If the boy won, but
Yes.
umkhipha kanjani coach when I wish to play it ngaleyo ndlela. Well, Jose Rivero, I can't blame him. I think the guy did very well in terms of the first half league. And Kulmange Pirates started very well this season. Pirates they on top of this season. Compared to other teams, they ubheke istats yasho compare ama-season wonke they were the closest to Sundowns and also competed their players. That's why I told the collapse national team abomfuking bona bomasanga it tells abosibisi as well China well done to Orlando Pirates kutshela nge-level bebakuyo this year. But I think towards the season end, I'm not too sure they look predictable. Right, I think I'm a support reading of the game. Mshayilo coach. Mfana Mbogazi didn't need to keep it. Immediately in 5 minutes, taking out the boy. The Pirates considered. And also taking out Nkota. You telling us you want to defend as a coach. Because it didn't have proper attacking players. Kulmanga natural attacking players. Players who are dynamics, who can carry the game. So Pirates, I think they did we were in the plan in terms of reading the game. And second half, the game was killed for me. I think so. We're watching the game. It was a matter of time with the game. But well done to SuperSport for capitalizing that and finish, but actually equalizing goal.
Yeah, you know, when you talk about Umakop, I feel sorry for Udonduzana Mabas. I like the boy. The boy is the goal scorer, June. And I'm 100% sure good thing. If he was playing with the chances that Umakopa, Ayawa, Tola Lapayan, that boy was going to score. I like that boy. I like that boy because he does what he's good at, of which is to put the ball in the net. And yeah, for the coach not to play him, I don't know why. And then to take out Umbogazi, I don't know why. Because I even said, Umbogazi for me, that's a man of the match player. No doubt because he's solid, he doesn't lose the ball, he's covering very well. You know, he does things that as a centre back you must do. And for me, I can't ask for more. Chayine, well done, boy.
Yeah, it's in compliment and I'm right back Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Very good player. I think Undlozi.
Yeah, Undlozi.
Yeah, the Amfanel as a ball. I
Yeah,
think a future ahead of him. Yeah, Amfanel as a ball. What I love when you are right back, opening up people, he might receive the ball. He hardly lose the ball and he's a right back. The Amfanel as a ball, and it's so the way I cover distance corner, well done. So I think it came. For me, it deserve, I need to be honest. The way they played second half, a very scrappy game second half. They had a good first half, both teams.
Yeah.
But Pirates had better chances. It's supposed to be changing a 4-2 or 5-2, if not mistaken, in Kumanga first half. Going to extra time. I think, yes, the game deserved to take my penalty because extra time, not much.
Yeah.
Well done to China against saving Orlando Pirates. And yeah, I think Ukros has tried Nagma penalty. Well done to Orlando Pirates. I think they deserve to go through. Okay, Vin just kill the game. Keep Ndlovu. And also he took out this boy. I'm not too sure why. I keep why this boy attacking midfield. The boy did very well. The boy is one of the best. He's got a talent, that boy, box to box as well. So I think Begafun and also Faga a defender.
Yeah.
Or can say defensive midfield.
Yes.
So it came out deserve good figure like corner, but also the way and approach the game towards the game pela because deserve good I lose the game.
Ezimnyama ngenkani zakhipha umuzi kamasipala zawenzo wayo zile lephulukwane zabuya nani sezibuyile zithi itikiti lethu ke semi-final selikhona.
Yeah, mangaphika nawo nyazi ngizule imali ingcono ngokuthakazela iDiski TV iDiski Time, don't forget Bafethu. Yeah, no namanje on.
For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, bongani bobomnisi bafethu, ngicela subscribe ku Diski TV.